Hi guys, good evening and welcome back. So today we will try to understand apart from the interview things. Today we'll try to understand a little bit interesting part of the software testing. Okay, so in the next couple of 2 to 5 years, so AI is going to make the drastic changes into the software industry, as we all know. Sorry. So that is the reason, so today I am trying to bring it on in front of you that how to use AI in different way. So writing a prompt and getting the answer is the very basic thing in AI, guys. So AI is moved on so much, so then what we are thinking of it. Okay, so that is the reason we'll try to figure out so what works better. And so there is a feature in Google Copilot, so called agentic mode. So that is going to make the massive changes, and that is going to change a lot in the software development industry. So today we'll try to take a look into it, and today we'll try to play with it, so how it works, and what are the things that we have to do it. So it's very exciting, guys. So I'm very much excited to show you guys as well. So let us take a look into that. So let us quickly, jump into the IntelliJ. So for the reference, I am going to take a new project. Okay. So let me take a new project. Let me name it as testing. For example, testing 3 to 1. Okay. So let's just like click on create and open this in the new window. And so make sure you have already installed the IntelliJ IDEA and Google Copilot plugin. So if I click on this Google Copilot plugin, so as we all know that here there is one more option called agent mode. So ask is just a prompt, guys. If you ask something and it will give me something. So edit is like if I ask me something, if I ask something, so it will edit that particular file. But agentic mode is little bit different. So say for example I created one blank project, right? So let me give a prompt in such a way that so I need to create one Maven project, and which is of the page object model type, and which is included all the dependencies which are required for it. Okay, so that is the requirement. So we are spending lots of time in creating the folder structure and in creating adding the dependencies and creating the page object model pom.xml file and many other stuff, right? So here one in within one prompt it can do everything, guys. So let us take a look into that. So can you please convert this project into Maven project for page object model for automation testing. So make it for Selenium and TestNG, and add all the required dependencies. So just click on enter, guys. So let us see what is going to change. So this is very interesting. And if I just click on accept, it will go and do the changes all across the framework, guys. So that is the interesting part of it. I already started using the agent mode, so which is working very much efficiently, guys. Okay, so make sure you guys are also installing the Copilot upgraded mode, and start using the agent mode, guys. So this is very crucial when it comes to improve your efficiency and to improve your productivity into the class. And it started giving the response to convert your Java project into Maven project suitable for Selenium automation testing using the page object model. And TestNG create the Maven structure, POM.xml, organize the assessment Java and the folder structure, add Selenium and TestNG dependencies in POM.xml, set up the basic page object class and sample testng and test class, move your main.java to the correct location, ensure everything compiles and ready for automation development. So it started doing all the required changes, guys. So it created pom.xml and login page data java and login page test.java and main.java. So now So I need to, if I want, I can review the classes, whatever it is given, and we have to review the pages. And this is the test class, which is going to use the before class and test and after the class. And before test, like it is launching the browser and other stuff. And in the test class, it is doing the performing the test. And after class, it is just like closing the browser and all. So then comes what is this main Java? So let me check. So this can be deleted as well. So not required. So let us take a look into that, and it has added Selenium and TestNG dependencies in the pom.xml, and let me click accept all. So now I clicked on accept all. So now let me go back and see. See, it has created. So now our job is to import the classes and other things. Accept it. Okay, so then go back to the main page and login page. So this is click on accept and WebDriver. It cannot be able to resolve it. Okay, so let me accept this. And, okay, so now I need to import this test ng class path and click on yes. Okay. So now I need to import the WebDriver. Let me remove this and let me check. So let me go back to Selenium latest version. Let me make it. What is the latest version Selenium? Let me check. Repository Selenium Java. Search for that and open that. And 4.36 is the latest version. Let me open this. What is the problem with this? So it's loading. So let me change it to 4.36 and let me see that one. Yes. So let me copy this dependency. Uh, put it here. So now save it and load the main project. So it will basically it will download all the dependencies and required stuff for the project. Okay. So now so it will create the structure which is required for it. So actually, like, I am showing this very very basic and simple example, guys. So basically this a is it is for the much bigger purpose. So it is definitely going to make the changes all across the project. So when you start using it, you will get to know the power of that. Okay, so that is the reason, make sure you start using it. For an example, just to showcase for the experiment, I showed it in a simple way. So but it does the magical things. So please start using it, and please start encourage to use the AI into your project. So that is where it is very very important. And in the coming session, I'll show you how to use OpenAI APIs to perform the complex operations and to make it simple, and to we can solve the complex task using the OpenAI APIs in a much simpler way. So that I'll show you. So don't worry about that. So now, so all the main dependencies are done, and let me go back and see login page test and add my one dependency. Dependency is already added. What is the problem with this? More actions. Let me go more actions. So now everything seems to be fine. So I just started the testing the dependencies and everything it started working. So let me delete this main class. I don't need this main class because when I'm working with uh, testng, I don't need main methods. So let me delete that. So this main class is also I don't need that. Let me delete this also. So we have to remove and we have to review thoroughly and what is happening and what is not happening. So after that, so we have to do that. Okay. So here what is the problem and import this class. So import this class as well. Okay. Login page, enter username and so it has given some random values. So let me put some debugging values. So just to show you whether it is passing or not. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. So can I run the project now? Yes, of course. Let me know what is the problem in running. There is no issue with running, right? Yes. We are Java package testing which does not exist. Auditions. Let me remove this and import this class. Okay. Import this as well. Import this as well. So sometimes there could be chances that AI can make the mistakes. So it's our responsibility, our coder responsibility, to make sure that everything is working fine. Java package does not exist. What is the problem with this? So let me ask the same thing for the agentic mode. Can you please fix this? So if you want, you can give the context also. You can select the folders and you can give the prompt. Yes, guys. So this is the power of AI. Click on it. It will run and it will does everything. So let me check that. Coming back to recording. Yep. Uh, okay. So now it is running and let us check after running. Okay. Okay. Build success. Let us take a look into again run this. Again the same issue. So that issue can be, let us check that. So let me give the context. Folders. Let me choose the folders. Testing 3 to 1. Okay. Or just copy paste it. See, guys, it started reading our project, and see, it started editing the pom.xml. So I have updated your pom.xml, and the duplicate test ng dependency and made test ng available for both. The reason is remove the duplicate test ng dependency. Only one test ng is present. What is the duplicate? Where is the duplicate? Okay, let me accept this. Uh, Continue. So let me run this memo clean install. Let me see what is going to happen. The build is anyway it is going to be successful because last time also it got successful. So let me go back to the pom.xml, and yeah, it ordered. Click on this as well and sync this dependencies. Let this resolve the dependency, and yeah. Yes, it is done. Let us quickly take a look into it and fix it. So that's it. I'm waiting for it and progress. So it's downloading. So let us check that one. So let us wait for a minute. So it's basically this agentic mode is very important. Earlier only ask and edit was there. So now this agent mode came. So this is really very important, guys. So this is where exactly it is going to happen. And, running the tests. So let us check whether this is there or not. So it started running the test. I'm running the test.login test. So let us see what is going to happen. Okay. So let me run this class and see what is going to happen. Yeah, guys. So it's working fine now, and earlier it was throwing some error. So now I think it works fine. So there is no doubt about that. And this method has to work, and now setup is working, and test login will also work, and it will work fine. So this can be used for the complex tasks as well, so there's no issue with that. And please start using that. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thank you so very much. If you like my content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so very much. I'll come back to you with another interesting subject. Thank you, guys. Thank you so very much.